Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. I usually do reviews, tutorials, and also fabulous drag looks and a lot of face paint, obviously, because I've been on Painted with Raven and I've been really into those looks lately. So you're gonna see some of those on my channel and also some regular makeup, very subtle like this. So in this video, we're gonna be reviewing the beautiful new small indie brand. It's called Ladybug Glow, and her first palette is called Ladybug Glow as well. So this is the palette, and this is the look I created with it. And you're gonna see the swatches, of course, and all the breakdown and everything. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you get notified of all new stuff. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right to this. So this palette was sent to me in PR by Amanda. Amanda is the owner of this brand, and I found out about Amanda from, of course, who else? Christina. Christina is the Gourmand Girls Cosmetics owner, and if you watch my channel, you know Gourmand Girls. I have a discount code with them, Elaina Glam as well. And now, after I ate her friend's brand, Amanda is a sweetheart and she picked the manufacturer well. I know Christina helped her pick one, and they did a good job picking it because the formula is like the tits. It's so good. And this is what it looks like. So this is a 10 shade palette. It has 3 shimmers, which are 2 of the multi-chromes and 1 is silver. I mean, I think it's a very good color story. It's already a little dusty because I've been digging into it, obviously. So I'm going to swatch it like in a bit and you're gonna see the swatches, but yeah. Isn't that luxurious? Look at this too. Ladybug Glow, her Instagram account is gonna be linked in the description box, and also her Etsy shop. She's on Etsy. She doesn't have a lot of stuff. That's her first palette. And she also has some blushes. They look very luxurious and shimmery. The palette is $30.95 and it's going to be, everything's going to be linked. I have my own discount code, Elaina10, so you guys can save 10%. So I really highly recommend this. This is good. I've been so into indie brands lately because they really care. You know, they're a small brand, they really care about quality. They're not gonna just put mass production crap that, you know, just to make money. This is really good, you guys. It's worth checking it out and it's worth supporting her because it's a good thing. It's a great brand and a small brand and it's a good palette. So I'm gonna be blubbering here forever because I really like this thing. I'm going to link the live that I did with Danny and Christina, and they were using this. If I find a link, because sometimes lives are tricky to find, the past lives, but I'm gonna try to find the link. And I did the look with this, with all of the colors, like all the rainbow. So today I just did one, like a monochromatic look, one tone, but you're gonna see me doing all of the colors if I find the link. Hopefully I'll find it. So let me swatch this on my arm. Watch off. And we're gonna get to the rest of this video. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial. Obviously just like very green, very luxurious with gems on it. So here are the swatches. I mean, you know, I never swatched it because, you know, guys, I hate doing swatches. I'm one of those people, like, I just want to put in violets. I don't care what the swatch is like, but actually, swatches so impressively on the dry AF skin. I'm so dry lately. I don't know what it is, but no primer, dry skin. Look at the swatches. Holy shit. The orange, bam. The yellow-green color. It's kind of a yellowish-greenish color. Bam! The pinkish color, bam! The purple, bam! The red, wow! The red is so deep. And this one, somehow I made this color. I have that color on actually, but I made it look green because I blended it with this one. And it was black and it ended up being green. I don't know, I kind of regret it because you guys cannot really see the true color, but it's still like it blends. So you can actually create the green, see? But anyway, this color is gorgeous. And the silver, luxury. I mean, the shimmers, the formula is like the formula that I wish every shimmer was like it, because it's so soft and so creamy. It picks up easily. It's not crumbly. It's not like jello or something like weird shit like that. But it's perfect. It's creamy. It pick it up and goes on like butter. So good. And look at it, multichromes. Look at that. Oh my, gorgeous. Let me turn down the light. Maybe you can see better. Yeah, maybe you can see better like this. I don't know. But here we go. Oh yeah, now you can see the difference in colors. And the black is like black. It's like a sticker. Literally like a black sticker. Let me put my beauty lights back on because, you know. Anyway, I'm so excited because this works so well. And it's like people say, oh, we can travel with it. I can literally travel with it. My husband and I going to New York for our anniversary. Our anniversary was in December, but he was busy working and he couldn't take time off. And, you know, both busy, and the airfares are high. So we're going now for like a few days just to celebrate the anniversary. We're going to be back by the weekend. So I'm going to be MIA from YouTube, from Instagram, from everything. It's not because I fell off the surface of the earth. It's because I'm in New York. Anyway, so there you go. This is my last video before we leave. But it is so good. So remember, use Elaina 10 discount code to save yourself 10% on Ladybug Glow at the shop. So this is a very cute little palette. You all saw it in the beginning. So I'm going to actually start with a color instead of black, just because it's called red, and it's very red. I just wanted to do something simple compared to the life that we did together. So I just wanted to create something simple because I already did all of the colors and the video is inserted in the description box, and there's a card. If I find it, that is. I hope she saved it because it was live. So if I can find it live, I'm gonna put the card up in there. But yeah, I did like all of the colors. So I'm gonna put up a photo here so you can see what it actually looked like on the photo in case I can't find the live. It works really well. I managed to blend everything together, the purple and the green, like nobody's business. So now I'm going for awesome. I love the names red and awesome because it is awesome. I love this kind of yellowish greenish color. I was gravitating towards it. I almost did like a purple look, purple pink, because that's what I usually gravitate towards. Like I want purple, I want pink. And then I'm like, you know what? Let me do something different. Besides, it's always nice to see how green and the lighter color blend together. Because it's not the easiest thing to do, but usually it's a step tap between like both colors. Like red and awesome. Right now I'm doing it to get a better blend. So this creates kind of a true green instead of the cooler tone green. So I already started with the black. You know what's a good test for black? It's called Night, and I'm putting this over the color. And actually it's so pigmented that it's literally like black. It attaches to powder underneath it, meaning not on the base but on the color already that I put in there. So that again proves the formula is amazing. It's one of the best blacks. Like Christina and Danny were discussing it, and it's as good as Christina's black. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Christina is Gourmand Girls Cosmetics owner, and her black is like one of the best blacks. And this is on par with that. So I did basic cut crease, and oh yeah, if you're noticing something, yes, I am wearing a little roller on my bangs. My bangs have been misbehaving, so like I'm trying to keep them straight because they're going in all directions. Anyway, regardless of my bangs, I wanted just to use silver, but because I already used duochromes, multichromes, but I kind of do want to use multichrome, so I'm gonna go disco and stunning 1 and 2. You might see they reflect in different variation of color. Those are stunning. They are stunning. Stunning is stunning. So silver in the inner corner. Oh, by the way, I'm using Makeup Revolution primer as the base and also for the cut crease. And I think Kitten wants to suck. Well, come here. Oh, come here. You want to suck a suck? So now we're going to the multi-chrome. Ah, look at that. It's so soft and creamy. The formula is really amazing. It's one of those formulas you wish all the shimmers were like this. Creamy, easy to pick up, blends well with other colors. It's like literally a dream formula. They really did a great job. I mean, Amanda did a great job with this palette. It's a small indie brand, so guys, when I support it and pick up the palette, the links are gonna be in the description box. Look at that. It literally gives you kind of a bug-like look, right? Because it's called Ladybug and it's like a green and all this reflects. Except I don't look like a bug, I probably look like a fly. Like a dirty fly. I like to shade myself. So let me put something in the waterline. This is like initial blend. Like I'm not gonna, you know, go around in circles around it. This is very simple look, very pretty. I finished this one up, you know, more or less. I put a little more blackness here in the crease, in a new crease, and yellow Screaming liner from LA Colors, LA Girl. And yeah, so we're gonna blend this up, and this is pretty much it. Very simple look. I'm gonna polish it off camera, and we're gonna be back discussing everything. So I zoomed you in, guys, so you can see this is the finished look. And yes, I said I'm gonna clean it up, and I ended up bejeweling myself to a high degree. I just started with 3 gems, and I put a little more gems, and I did everything. I'm like, let me put some gems on the bottom. That's how it all starts, and then go crazy. But yeah, I felt like I wanted some extra with this look, because it's just one color, you know. I'm used to like different colors, so like since it's only one color, at least I'm gonna be jeweling. But you can see how good the eyeshadow is, how good it was before I stuffed all the jewelry on top of it. But it is a good eyeshadow. And like I said, if I find that link to life we did, you can see actually how it performs when I use, like, I literally used every single shade in life. Like, I used all of them. So it's amazing. I love my multi-chromes. Multi-chromes are so stunning. And the silver is so good. Like, it's gorgeous. So this is a finished look from the far away. And yes, I'm wearing my RuPaul's t-shirt because I haven't worn it in a while. And yes, it's got a hole from Ali's claws or changes. One of them ripped it, little butthole. So I had to fix it. But anyway, it's one of my favorites. Regardless, it's completely off the topic. The squirrel friend attention span, like I say. But anyway, so this is the palette that is available now on Etsy from Amanda. Amanda is the owner, so you can find her shop in my description box. So highly recommend. Formula is great, pigmented, blends easy, black is black. You can find amazing value with multi-chromes in it. I mean, it's a great deal. So let me know what you guys think. Have you heard of Ladybug Glow? I mean, it's an indie brand, a small one that just came out, so most likely you never heard of it unless you watch me, but it's gonna be big. Watch, guys. She's good. The formula is amazing. So I predict a very, very bright future for this brand. Follow her on Instagram. I'm going to link her Instagram shop to Instagram website, and it's going to be Etsy link is also on her Instagram. So like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Upload 2 to 3 times a week, and I also go live some days. So follow me on social media. Everything is down in the description box. So thank you all for watching. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.